Hello guys, welcome to BK TV. I'm going to be talking about parasail testnet project. So this is it over here. I'm going to be dropping the link via the description below. As you can see, we just have 12 days left. Okay, so you just have to join as soon as you watch this video. You just have to register immediately. So I'm going to show you some things on how to go about it. So we are going to be using MetaMask for this. Okay, so we can start by clicking on this button that says click to activate parasail node, or we can say run nodes over here. So we are going to start with, I'm going to click on this first. So when you click on this, it brings out your wallet. We are going to make use of MetaMask wallet for this exercise. So I'm going to click on it right now. Let me in anyway. Just hold on a moment. Okay, let me use the next option, which is run nodes. Tap on MetaMask. Okay, all right, if this doesn't work for you, maybe we'll go to MetaMask direct and input it from there. So just hold on and watch the way I'll go about it. So right now, let me go to my MetaMask. This is my MetaMask. I've opened it. Just hold on, it's still loading. Okay, make sure your MetaMask is on Ethereum. Up here, you tap on the arrow and you change it to Ethereum. Got it. Okay, just tap on it. So since it's on Ethereum now, this address over here, make sure you copy the address. Copied. So you go over to your MetaMask and you paste it. You paste it over here. Search. Okay, as you can see, we are doing it direct from the MetaMask on Ethereum. Please don't forget that. So when you get here, you click on activate parasail nodes. Okay, it pops up and you still click on MetaMask. You click on connect. See connect here. Permission updated. This is it. So after that, okay, you sign in. You sign the message. Click on it. Just hold on a moment. It's already running 23 hours, as you can see over here. See, it started running. So this is how to go about it. Okay, and these are some tasks to do. Run nodes. Look at it. You can go under this section and do the tasks as well. So after 24 hours, you can come back and you click on activate nodes. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe if you haven't subscribed.